morning everyone. This is our second day here at Sofitel Jumeirah. And time check now 9:30. We're just preparing to have breakfast because we have breakfast included during our stay here. So Isa is already dressed in her outfit. OOTD. Yun, oh. Wow. Sino pa? You want to eat breakfast na?
Yes. I want to swim.
You want to swim?
Yes.
After? Oh, what is mommy doing?
Elsa.
Elsa hair.
Request niya yan.
Request niya. Ayan si mommy.
Every time.
Gusto niya lagi naka-braid yung ano niya. Hair niya. Ng ano.
That you have accepted. You have just accepted.
Okay, see you later. We'll go to our breakfast.
Kaping-kape na ako.
Honey. So here's our breakfast. It's omelette with tomato and cheese, and then some sausage, hash brown, turkey bacon, and then this I don't know. I just put strawberry jam. For Mina, the same. Isa, she wants nuggets and boiled egg and sausage.
What are you eating, Isa?
What are you eating, Gabi?
Elsa nuggets yan kasi we took it from Elsa table. Good. How was it? Gising ka niyan maghapon.
Nasang ano? Nasang mamahalin.
Siya din daw.
Okay na.
Go to daddy.
Where is Isa? Yan, naka-nap na kami, nakaligo na din. So Isa is preparing her hair again. Isa, say hi. Hello. Nalibang kami, nagmerienda kami. 6:30 na pala. Pero ang taas pa ng araw. Ayan. Daming tao sa beach. Parang langgam. Hello everyone. Ngayon pupunta kami sa beachfront. Magpi-picture-picture kami. And then we'll take some shots, video clips para sa memories. Kasi maganda yung view dun eh. Tapos later pagka gabi na, madilim na, mag-iilaw yung Ferris wheel tsaka yung Blue Waters Island. So see you there. Ganda ng hero. Wow. Galing ni Mami. Time check, it's 7:05 in the evening. Pero ang liwanag pa oh. What's that? Volcano ba yan?
Wala lang tayong mag-ayos.
Wala lang time. Tapos na kami mag-pictorial. Tsaka
Ganda ng
konting...
building, oh. So, doon yung Sofitel.
Nasa yung Sofitel?
Okay. Tapos, Yilton. Sheraton. Nakakatuwa ang tignan. Nakaka-unwind talaga. Kasi, sa Al-Ain,
Tagal-tagal
walang
din
ganyan.
kami matagal-tagal din kami hindi nakapagdagat. So later, pupunta tayo dun sa Blue Waters Island dito. Sa mga maraming payong. Bumalik kami dito sa hotel room kasi ang init. Nag-refresh muna kami. Tapos si Isa nagpalit ng damit kasi pawis na pawis. Ngayon, maglalakad kami papuntang Blue Waters Island. So, the next videos na makikita nyo, yung on the way papunta doon.
Saan tayo kakain?
What do you want? McDonald's or Texas chicken?
Isa, what do you want to eat? What do you want to eat? What do you want to eat? Apple juice na? Apple juice lang?
There we have it.
We will go through that bridge until we get to Blue Waters Island. We are near the bridge. You're not tired? Ha? Kaya mo pa maglakad? Kami sa bridge. Ang ganda. We'll go to Blue Waters Island. Abot-tanaw na. Isa.
Tired ka na, Isa? Pagod na siya. Layo din ang lakad ni Isabel. Blue waters. Yan na yung blue waters. Pagod.
Pagod na
Sarap
si
isa.
Isa.
Pagod na. Antok na, oh.
Dahil nilakad namin.
Isa is tired.
Color green. Pabalik na kami. Napagod ang bata.
Nagpunta ng blue waters para mag-ice cream.
Hindi, mag-picture talaga. Pero napagod kasi tayo eh. So nag-ice cream tayo para maano. Ang layo ng lalakarin namin. Tingnan nyo. Ayan, hanggang dun. Boom. Pagod ang bata. Naglakad papunta dun sa bridge ng Blue Waters. Pagdating dun, wala na, nagpabuhat na pabalik.
I remember when we painted this room.